Okay, good morning, dear students. Here I am again to teach you a trick that I found in my English lab that probably could be useful for you because most of students forgot their books or their big English books at school, right? Well, if it is your case, no worries. I have the perfect solution. Then please look at this. I'm going to access to mm, my English lab. Okay, this is one student's account. And when you click here in practice, in the practice section, okay, you will find all the units that you usually work. But in here, with the symbol of a rocket, you will find one that says books, and probably you haven't used this one much, okay, because those are not interactive activities. So let's check it out and see what we find in this section of my English lab, okay? And it's precisely what I told you. If you forgot the book at school, you probably don't have the book at home now, well, you can count with your virtual book. It's the virtual version of your book. So I'm going to show you what you can find in this virtual book, okay? So in here, for example, you can check the pages, okay? You can actually access to all the activities and materials that you have in the book. Okay. If you want to go for, let's say, to look for a specific information or specific unit, you just click in here. Did you see where I click in here where it says menu? Okay. And then I'll go, for example, in these days we're working on Unit 7. So I will click in Unit 7 and here it is. But it's not only the pages, it's not just like a PDF. It's only the possibility to find the audio files, okay, the songs, the listening activities, okay. So if you click in here, for example, listen and sing, so you say, but I don't have the song, I don't have a CD, I don't have, well, yes, you do. If you click in here, you will see a new bar appearing here at the bottom, okay, with a play symbol. You just click on
Students
it
book,
and
page
you will be able
85.
to listen
Activity 3. Listen
all
and sing.
the instructions
What
or
special
songs
days?
or all the activities. Okay, so I hope you find this useful. Okay, well, you have other tools like, for example, crossing out, highlighting. Okay, I want to change the color, for example, and I want to highlight something important for me. Okay, so I just highlight it. Okay, so actually, this is a good way to find your book at home. Okay, so for example, if the teachers tell you like go and visit the page 93, okay, so you will go and check on page number 3 to see if there is something for you to listen, for you to read, for you to do. Of course, it's not possible to do it in here, okay, because remember, this is just a book, okay, for you to have the book at home, but you cannot do the activities in here like manipulating or writing here. No, it's not possible, but you will have access to the audio files, which is the most important, so you continue practicing your
Student
listening
book.
skills, which is the most important thing. And you can also practice and record your voices probably, as the English teachers will give you instructions through ClassNet. Okay, so I hope you can find this video useful for you. And well, see you next time. I will give you some directions for interactive Zoom classes. Okay, so see you next time. Bye bye.